Welcome back, everyone. So, in today's video lecture, we are going to understand and learn more about AWS Marketplace, right? So, this is uh, just an FYI sort of video lesson because there might be some questions coming in AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. So, we must at least have a information about marketplace, AWS Marketplace. What is it all about? So, as the name suggests, AWS Marketplace, it's a marketplace for us to buy the utilities or the programs or softwares or operating systems built in with the packages which we want for our application purposes, right? So, see, when you are in this particular URL, you will see there are some popular categories: operating system, security, networking, storage, machine learning, DevOps, data analytics, right? And you can also enable view all categories. But let's say I am interested in some ethical hacking product. So as you understand, or you might know, like Kali Linux is one of the softwares and operating system tools and have utilities which you can actually enable to like do some ethical hacking uh, testings. Okay, so if I don't want to go here, I can directly search it here else. So let me show you. Kali Linux, say it comes, right? So here it is, Kali Linux. I can see all the reviews here before I can download, and I can use its AMI. What is AMI? We know about Amazon Machine Image, right? These are all delivery methods for this particular Kali Linux. So once we actually buy this particular Linux, Kali Linux, the Amazon Machine Image will be delivered to us, and we can actually boot our EC2 instance with the same, right? So let me see what are the reviews here first, right? Let's see. Okay, I wasn't able to connect to Kali instance either by SSH client or AWS console, although I have followed the steps. Okay, might be he might need to see my videos how to connect to AWS console. That's the reason I believe. Nice to see Kali Linux on AWS. It helps me a lot for pen testing. I can recommend everyone this one. So when you are okay and you are like decided to go to uh, the Kali Linux Amazon Machine Image, you can see on how it is being coming as a cost to you. So it comes as $0.046 EC2 per hour. And also the suggestion is like don't do it on T2 micro. Vendor recommended is T2 medium. So all these things, right? So this is one of the things which we uh, can come and do it for our applications. We can see other categories also if you want to. And let's go. Let's say I want to have something like about us machine learning things. And you see, if I want a text similarity analyzer, so this algorithm includes TTDF featureizer to create n-gram features. All these things you can definitely get it implemented on your EC2 or your application, right? Hospital readmission. This algorithm uses scikit-learn framework to predict hospital readmissions from EMR data. So many things you can have a go here and try it out there, but be aware of the pricing. So this is what is all about marketplace. Maybe I will show you some important things here. Like I want to have something for, let's say, e-learning, or let's say backup and recovery. If I have something there, let's see what are there. So all these things are there for you to try it out if you want to have a automated disaster recovery application or solution already built in, and just you need to just buy it and just power it on and you should be good to go. So that's for the marketplace. Other categories, let's say what is there for video in machine learning. I want to see something like recognition software. So Ubuntu, Ant Media. So no. Okay, let me search it like recognition. Sorry, typo here. Let's say recognition facial verification. So here, so let us see like what is it all about. If I want to do some facial recognition, how it can be done, then sold by this particular company, categories, pricing, scope of your request. So they haven't provided a this thing per hour billing or something like that. You need to contact the seller for that. But yes, you have the solution which can be implemented on AWS, right? So all these things are there which you can actually go and check it out for yourself instead of like reinventing the wheel. You can definitely you do it for your application, right? So see, here are some your deliveries also. Like you want to get something done on behalf of other on behalf of your team, you can actually take the professional help, and here it is, right? Find talent on demand with AWS IQ. Okay, so here it is, and that's all for AWS Marketplace, and I'll see you in the next lecture.